Here's a quick review of a fuel pressure tester kit that I purchased off of Amazon. This specifically is the BETOOLL Pro Fuel Injection Pressure Tester Kit. Like I said, I got this one off of Amazon. I will post a link to the actual item I purchased in the description below. But I have basically seen this kit from a variety of different sources with different branding on it. And, what appears to be this exact kit when you look at it in the layout. So my guess is, this is an inexpensive Chinese-made kit that gets, relabeled by various sellers, that sort of thing. I was just looking for an inexpensive. I am not a commercial mechanic. This is not getting used in a commercial garage. This is like a do-it-yourself home garage kind of thing. It's just really a hobby for me. I just wanted an inexpensive kit to kind of use when troubleshooting some of my project cars. And I specifically wanted something that had a variety of adapters and that sort of thing because of kind of like the range of what I own or work on. So, I have everything from old water-cooled Volkswagens to even older like fuel-injected Fiats to carbureted cars to carbureted American, fuel-injected American cars, fuel-injected Japanese cars, that sort of thing. So I just needed something with flexibility. And I didn't want to be like going to the hardware store and chasing down connectors and fittings and that sort of thing. And this kit, I will show you, comes very well equipped to basically handle whatever you're working on. So let me just set this aside, and you can see just like everything else I work on, I have a hard time putting things back, making them fit what they came out of. So first and foremost, here's the gauge. So I haven't been using it a lot. It gets sparse use, but has a little hook to hang it. It seems to be accurate and that, the readings, it responds quickly and things like that. This is the release. It's all brass. So nothing special. Like I said, it's not, I think this whole kit was $65. So it's not, going to set the world on fire from a quality point of view. There's the gauge. But to me, this is the impressive part of this particular kit. It comes with a slew of fittings and connectors. And what's cool about it is, first, it came with this photograph, which is good because when I came from Amazon, the first time I opened it, maybe a third of these were all loose. So it was a mess. So I was able to quickly put it back in its intended configuration using this little image. Really quickly, it does come with a little bag of spare O-rings of various sizes, hose clamps, and nylon washers. So as these little O-rings rip or tear or anything, you could easily replace them. And it comes with chunks of hose. So if you have to rig something up to a carburetor or something like that, you could easily do that. It has it. You don't have to chase that down in your shop. But one of the things I did want to point out, in the manual, it kind of gives a breakdown of the various adapters and components that are in here, which is pretty nice. So it's not like, a guessing game. So, some of them are generic, and it'll just say, this is a male adapter or a female adapter, adapter M8 by 1.0 male to M12 by 1.5 male, right? So there's generic ones. But then there's also a very specific one. Actually, the perfect example is the one I've been using. This specific adapter is for Bosch, for testing Bosch fuel injection systems, or Bosch CIS fuel injection systems specifically. So this was great. I just took it out, connected this to the fuel distributor on the Cabriolet, connected this to the fuel line that goes to the warm-up regulator, and you're off to the races conducting your test. which was fantastic. So I actually have a whole video of where I used this kit to test the fuel pressure on my Mark 1 Volkswagen Cabriolet. I will include a link to that below, and basically in this portion of the video here, so you can see a more like in-depth usage of this particular kit. But that's kind of what I wanted to share. A couple things, my observations. I did tear one of the O-rings trying to chase down a leak when I was using it. The other thing is I did break a component. So if you look, this guy is actually broken. Here's the other piece of it. So that is actually a duplicate of this fitting. And I'm not going to knock the component, like the kit, for breaking. It was me. I over tightened it. I was trying to stop a leak and I cranked down on it. And this is brass, and brass is soft. So, I did break it. As a testament to the kit, it is so well equipped, it literally had another one. So, again, I'm not trying to, knock the quality. It's a brass fitting, and I definitely cranked too hard on it, tightening it. So that was really user error. So in general, so far, so good with it. It is what it is. It's a Chinese-made kit. Got it, and it's well under $100. So you kind of get what you pay for. But for someone like me, my use, if you're just a hobbyist, or this is perfect in my opinion.